Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are staying safe. I know it's a very trying time, but just bear in mind that there's always a calm after the storm. So guess what? This too shall pass. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I clean my makeup sponges. So if you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Like my jacket got the say be what you want.
Decided to do this video because not many people know that they can actually clean their makeup sponges. Like, really guys? But yes, people prefer to actually go to the store and purchase new ones instead of just cleaning the ones you got. Or some people also prefer to just keep using the dirty sponges. But whenever you see like pimples and acne and stuff keep breaking out on your face, it's simple stuff like these that actually cause it. So just clean your sponges. Okay, so I'm gonna make this video really simple. So if you're at home, you can actually do this because it only requires some dishwashing liquid. I prefer to use Dawn because it basically cuts grease like a lot. And you can use olive oil also. You can use this in basically any brand. I just choose this brand because this is what I used to cook at home, so it just comes in handy. And you'll need some hot water. So this is what my makeup sponges look like. I know they look super bad, but we're gonna take care of that right now. So the first step you want to take is you get a bowl. So that's my bowl that I'll be working with. Okay, so you're gonna pour the olive oil in the bowl. You do not want a lot of olive oil. You're gonna put enough in there basically just to cover the bottom of the container. So that's about the amount I'll be using. Then you'll put the sponge in. So I'll be using this one first. I'll be cleaning that one. Okay, so after you put the sponge in the bowl with the oil, you basically just let the sponge absorb the oil. This way you can see all the makeup coming off. Just keep absorbing. Okay, so keep doing that until the sponge absorbs majority of the oil, taking out most of the makeup out of the sponge. So you basically want to repeat these steps with all the makeup sponges. All right, for this step, we'll be pouring the Dawn soap over the sponges. We're gonna let the sponge absorb the soap. See makeup residue still coming out. That is what the soap does. Space can take a little. That's it. All right, so for our next step, we're gonna pour hot water on these. So just pour the hot water on these, and we leave them in the hot water until the water gets cold. So we let them soak in there. Okay, so now the water is cool, so this is what they're currently looking like. You see it's still dripping a little makeup, but it's pretty clean. So we're gonna squeeze pretty much majority of the soap residue from the sponges. Then our next step will be to run cold water all over these. We're basically just gonna rinse them until there's no more soap left in them. Okay guys, so this is what the final product looks like. So as you can see, the sponges are super clean. So this method actually works. I'm not here to trick anyone. So ensure that you follow the steps carefully and share it with your friends so that they too can have clean sponges, because that means a clean sponge. And if you have not subscribed as yet, yes, so now is the time to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and see you soon.